Imagine crafting stunning videos in just minutes, automatically optimizing for SEO, discovering trending ideas, editing like a pro, and scheduling posts across all platforms, effortlessly. Here's the best part. I've got a special discount code for up to 50% off, exclusively for viewers like you. Plus, Syllaby.io offers a free trial with 300 credits, letting you create 2 to 3 videos to test before committing. Pro tip: cancel before day 6 if you're not ready, and you won't be charged a penny. Ready to take the next step? Click the link in the video description now to unlock your exclusive discount and start your content creation journey today. Don't wait, this tool is already transforming how creators work, and it can do the same for you. Stick around, because this video might just change how you approach content forever. This is the main dashboard. The first thing that you're going to do is come over to Discover Ideas tab on the left-hand menu. And this is going to seem like a lot of information at first, but let me share how simple and powerful that this is. So there's a lot of different areas that you can search: Google Trends, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Bing, TikTok, and then we even have different industries that you can search topics down here as well, depending on where you're at. So first, if we want to come in here, we can type in anything, any industry, any topic. It's going to show you questions with data to show you. So if I type in VA loans, maybe I'm a mortgage officer here, I can click Discover Ideas. And this is going to show us all of these questions and keywords associated with our target keyword that we put in there. It's going to give you a lot of data around this as well. Search volume, if it's trending, a trend line, a cost per click, so you can associate a dollar value with that keyword and how competitive it is. Now, remember that if you're looking at Google search, this competitive score is going to be based on SEO a little bit, but it's still a good idea to make a video on that topic. But you can see here, what are VA loan rates? When am I eligible for a VA loan? Are VA loans assumable? All sorts of questions. Now we could come over here to YouTube and we can search for the same idea, and it's going to show us slightly different keywords and topics specific to YouTube search with different data and information. Now if I come over to Instagram and I do that same search, it's going to actually show us related hashtags. So we can see the search volume on those hashtags, trending, information, etc. And so these are all hashtags that you can use in your actual videos. So target that specific audience. You can also come over here to TikTok and do the same search. Now, if there's no search volume on here, don't worry. That typically just means that it's less than 10 people. It's still probably a good topic idea to create videos around. Now, the other thing that you can do down here is search by industry. So we can see, if we click healthcare here, we can see all of the topics that Syllaby users are searching for in the healthcare industry. And we can see all sorts of different topics here, right? Same thing with, say, real estate. And so we can see all sorts of real estate, realtor-oriented topics and questions here, so that you can make educated decisions on what videos that you should create to get the most traction. I hope this helps you. On the left to the connect icon. This is going to show you all of the existing accounts that you have connected here, where you can of course resync the connection or disconnect that account if you want. But all you need to do is click connect account here, and you can easily connect your YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, or even your threads. How this is going to work is just click on connect below that. It's going to take you to the login and sign up screen, so we can choose any one of our accounts here. And then we can choose any of the accounts, the YouTube channels that are associated with that account. You're just going to click continue, walk through, make sure everything looks good. Click continue. It will take you back to the connection screen, and it will have successfully connected that account for you. The same is the process for anything here. So we can connect our Threads account, for instance. It's going to take you over to that connection request screen, and you're just going to easily just click through the connect, and voila, you will see all of these connections added to your connection request there. Now, the other place that you can connect them to is through the publish area here. We can click create, schedule, host, and you can add anything or upload any of your videos for social media. And in the top here, you'll see all of the connected accounts. Or you can also click the plus icon here, and that will also add this ability here to connect any of your social media accounts. This is a very simple process. I hope this helps you. You're gonna see video editor. All you need to do is click on that and it's gonna pop in this editor that is a blank slate. And there's actually a lot that you can do here. So you can just drag something in if you'd like directly right in there. It's gonna take a moment and it will load that video directly into the timeline like so. What you can also do is you can access our huge library of stock images or stock video, and you can build something from scratch. So we have some categories here for you, but you can also type in anything. Maybe we could hit real estate, and then we'll see a whole bunch of real estate oriented videos. You can click on any of those, and it'll automatically add it to the timeline here. You can drag this around however you want, like so. We also have a stock audio library in here. You can add any of these in here. You can sample how that sounds beforehand, like so. And there's different controls. So if you go to, say, this area, there are duplicate options. This will duplicate this entire file. You can split it in half if you want, so that you can add a gap in here and maybe do something like this if you want. You can flip this horizontally. If you wanted to do that for whatever reason, you can flip it vertically, fit to canvas. You can also drag and drop this around and resize this however you want, right in there. And then we can easily just fit to canvas and that will cut it. You can delete any options here. You can also change the aspect ratio of it if you want to do like a TikTok oriented video. And then we can drag this around like so. If we want to fit it to frame, it's obviously not going to look great. It's a horizontal video, but you can do square or 4x3. We also have this option over here where you can add any sort of text elements or different fonts and subtitles and animations, all sorts of different things. We have some shapes that you can use here. Over here, depending on what element that you have uploaded, you can go into video properties. Then you can actually speed it up. You can control the volume. You can control the blur effects. All sorts of different properties that you can choose from. Under the text effects, you can change that. You can change the font family here. Lots of different font options, as well as the color, stroke, the width, anything that you'd like. There's a whole lot of options here. We want you to be able to create videos however you want within Syllaby. Whether it's creating faceless videos, avatar videos, or building a video from scratch, Syllaby is the perfect video marketing workflow to help you grow on social media. When you're finished with your video and it's perfect for you, all you need to do is click on Export Video and just click Proceed, and it will begin to export that video for you. It will automatically load that video into the My Videos area, and then you can directly schedule, publish, or download right from there. I hope this helps you. Of the social media posts that you have scheduled like so on your calendar, you can see past ones you can do on a month-to-month basis here, and you can see all of my posts that I have scheduled here across multiple accounts. If you want to schedule something new, you can just click on that individual date, and it will load this module here. You can connect or select any of the social media accounts that you have connected here, or you can easily connect any of your new social media channels if you want. You can upload any video that you want in here. Let's go with this one. Now, you can type in anything here, but if you generate a video within Syllaby, you can actually use the AI description, which will automatically generate a keyword-friendly, SEO-friendly description based on that video. From here, you're just going to click on Customize for each network, and you can actually see and demo what that looks like on each platform before you schedule it. So we can select the privacy here. We can turn comments, stitches, and duets on for TikTok. For YouTube, we can generate a title by clicking this little magic icon. Now, there's not much information in this video, so generating this is going to generate something random. But let me actually show you what that looks like from one of the video areas here as well. You can always connect everything and choose from the calendar there. But let's go to a video that was actually generated within Syllaby here. So in the My Videos area, all I need to do is click on Publish. This will load into that, and then I can just click one button here to suggestive description for AI, and it's going to optimize this description for me. And if I go over here to, let's say, YouTube, I can automatically generate a title. I can generate all of the tags. I can select the category of video. I can notify my subscribers immediately. I can select if it's made for kids, and I can either publish right now, or I can schedule ahead of time. I can select any date here, and I can schedule however I want to. Now, also from the content calendar, you can always edit any of these posts as well. So you can delete this from the calendar by clicking the delete icon. You can publish it now by clicking on this little rocket ship, or you can edit the details on that however you'd like. From the screen, you can also see all of your bulk schedulers as well. So the bulk scheduler is our automation feature, where you can see another demo of that if you'd be interested. But you can basically create up to a month worth of social media videos and schedule them out ahead of time so that you don't have to worry on creating videos every single day. Well, you can manage your schedule right from here by pausing or deleting all of the items on that bulk scheduler. You can also see the posts that are scheduled, published, processing, or failed. And then you can even sort it by each individual account as well. If you only want to see posts that are scheduled for one individual social media platform or one social media account, you can do that there. This is great for the marketing agencies that use Syllaby for all of their clients, or if you're just running multiple faceless channels or multiple YouTube channels and you're using Syllaby as a complete workflow tool, you can easily organize everything from the calendar here. Folders that you've created for organizational purposes. Now, to edit any of these videos in here, all you need to do is either click on the play button here, or you're going to click on the three dots, and then you can edit images and subtitles. Edit video is going to load it into the video editor, which I showed you in a previous preview. But from here, this is the screen that you really want to be on. This is going to show you all of the amazing details about this individual video. You'll be able to create other videos with AI related to the video that you just created. You can automatically publish it here. You can view all of the details, copy the script of that video. But really what I want to show you here is this edit images and subtitles option, because this is incredibly powerful to make every single faceless video that you generate in Syllaby perfect. So what you can do here is these are all of the images that are generated for your faceless video. And so you could click on any of them. You can, of course, change the subtitles right in here as well. If you want to type in anything like so, word for word, you'd have full control over the customization. Now, if you say you don't like this image in that screen or in the video for whatever reason, all you need to do is click on edit image, and there's a lot of options here. So you can upload your own image or your own video to replace that video within, or that image within the faceless video. So you have full control. You can generate your own image in Midjourney or Dolly 3 or any other tool out there and upload that. You can even upload your own real photos or real videos that you've taken to replace that. You can access our stock video library in here. You can type in anything here, and you can just save that change, and it will automatically update that for you. You can regenerate the image based on an angle here, so you can use this, and it will regenerate the image like so. Or you can type in any sort of prompt. A female warrior statue holding a spear, and it will automatically regenerate that image for you. And you can choose the original, or you can choose a new one, save that, and it will automatically update. The other newest feature that we have in here is the ability to add motion. This is going to be incredible. So you can just type in anything you want here, pan left, or add motion, and add motion to it, and it will animate the image that's generated. Now you will have full transformational images, videos. The possibilities are endless of what you can create within Syllaby. Once you're happy with your edited faceless video, you've changed any sort of images, customize the faceless video however you want. All you need to do is click export again, and it will automatically export the newly edited version of that video, perfect for your completion, where you can then schedule and publish it directly to all of your social media. I hope this helps you.